So I will teach you how to install MySQL Server on a Windows operating system. To be specific, this is a Windows Server 2019, but it should work with other Windows operating system. I mean Windows 10. And lastly, we want to add the bin folder of MySQL to the path and access it in the command prompt. So go ahead and access your favorite browser and search for download MySQL, let's say Windows. Go down, choose this one, MySQL download MySQL installer. Choose the web installer, the smaller file size, click download. No need to sign up, no thanks, just start my download. Click run. And there you go. We're gonna skip this. Now click no, this is just an optional upgrade, don't need that. Now we are prompted with the MySQL installer. It's a wizard. Click the server only. We don't want the graphical user interface as well. Click next. As you can see, it requires the Microsoft Visual C++ 2019 distributable package x64. For Windows 10 user, I don't think you need, you already have this. For the server though, let's look for that. Download Microsoft Visual C++ 2019 and go ahead and click this one. And it says here, nope, not that. Let's hit back. Let's choose the first one. And look for the Visual Studio 2015, 2017, and 2019 and choose the x64. Click run. Again, if you don't have this, check requirements, you're ready to go, just click next. Now let's see if that was installed. Agreed license terms and condition, install. Setup successful. Let's hit back, click next again, and now it doesn't have that check requirement page. Click execute. We're going to skip this to 100%. When it's complete, click next, next, and let's choose the standalone MySQL server or classic MySQL replication for high availability. Click next, leave everything in default, and the port is 3306, just taking note of that. Click next, use strong password encryption for authentication. Click next, create your own password and make sure it matches. And once you're done, click next. Leave the default, click next. Execute. When it's done, click finish. Click next and finish. Now let's access the command prompt. Try to hit MySQL. So now you're wondering, we have installed MySQL server, but you still don't have it. It's because we haven't added the MySQL bin to the path. And to find that, you go to this PC, local disk C, program files, MySQL Server 8.0, click the bin, and right click here, copy address, and go back to the command prompt. I'm going to show you something first. If I change my directory with cd and then paste that path, when I'm in this directory, I will be able to access MySQL. Username as root and prompt password. As you can see, I do have my MySQL server installed, but we don't want to keep changing directory whenever we access the command prompt. So what we need to do is go ahead and search keyword environment and click edit the system environment variables. Under system variables, double click path, click new and paste that address and click OK. Now let's just restart the command prompt. Now that we added that to the path, we should be able to access MySQL without changing directory. As you can see, it now works because it already prompted us for our password, and there you go. Now you have MySQL server at your fingertips, at your command prompt.